Now students, see here, this is the respiratory system. Already some of the parts I have discussed with you. Once again I will tell you that respiration starts from our nostril. These are the nostril. See here clearly, these are the nostril. Behind the nostril there is a nasal cavity. From that nasal cavity, the part followed is pharynx. This is the pharynx. Then after that, larynx. Larynx is also called voice box. Okay. Larynx is followed by windpipe. This is the windpipe, which is also known as trachea. Okay. From here, the air reaches up to the lungs with the help of this windpipe. See, this windpipe is divided into two parts. This trachea is divided into two parts. One part goes to the left lung, another part goes to the right lung. These are the lungs. Okay. So this trachea divided into two parts, and these divided part, this you can see here, this part, see, these are called bronchioles. So trachea is divided into bronchioles. Okay. Now the structure of this bronchiole we will study here. See here, this is the bronchiole which is divided from the trachea, and there are many bronchioles. Many bronchioles are there, and this bronchiole ends up into the alveolar sac. This is alveolar sac. ये आपको दिख रहा है बलून जैसा, ये alveolar sac है, and in each alveolar sac there are little structures which are called alveoli. ये small ball like structures आपको जो दिख रहे हैं, these are called alveoli. So each alveolar sac consists of many millions of alveoli. Okay. And there is a supply of blood also through the nerves. You can see here these red color. This is the blood which is supplied through these nerves. Why these nerves are blue in color? Because some part, because due to the CO2 which we release from our alveoli, it becomes a impure blood. So this blue part, it consists of impure blood, and the red part, it consists of pure blood. This is the oxygenated blood, and this is the deoxygenated. Deoxygenated का मतलब क्या हुआ कि उसका ऑक्सीजन हमने यूज़ कर लिया और उसको कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड दे दिया. That is why it is blue in color. Okay. So like this, respiration goes on with the help of our lungs. Okay, these structures are all present inside the lungs. Now lungs you already know. What are lungs? Lungs are a pair of spongy and elastic organs. They are present in the chest cavity. ये हमारी क्या होती है? ये क्या होती है हमारी chest cavity. Okay. So they are present in the chest cavity, and they are divided into two, left lung and right lung. Left lung and right lung. The lungs are covered by two membranes called pleural membranes. Lungs are covered by pleural membranes. इसके ऊपर एक membrane type होती है, that is called pleural membrane. Okay. A fluid called pleural fluid is present in between the two pleural membranes. See here, there are two membranes, and between these two membranes a fluid is filled. This is called pleural fluid. Okay. So like this, the lungs, this is the structure of lung. Now after this, below the lungs is a muscular sheet called diaphragm. हमारे lungs के नीचे एक sheet होती है which is called diaphragm. The diaphragm moves up and down and helps in the breathing. ये diaphragm जो होती है जब हम सांस अंदर लेते हैं, तो डायफ्राम ऊपर हो जाता है, और जब हम सांस रिलीज़ करते हैं, अपनी ब्रीदिंग रिलीज़ करते हैं, तो डायफ्राम नीचे हो जाता है. सो इट हेल्प्स इन respiration. Diaphragm helps in respiration.